Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set the one-handed mode to open with gesture or button on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Let's first go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on advanced features. And then swipe down, tap on one-handed mode on the left hand side panel. At the bottom here we choose displays, size, width. And here you can choose gestures or button. If you select gestures, you can swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. So if you swipe down right here, you can open up the one-handed mode. If you choose button, then you can tap on the home button twice to open one-handed mode operation. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to return to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.